Hi friends, my name is Diksha Madlani. Welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel. So today I am going to talk about how you can make a habit of English speaking. You know why we are facing this type of problem? Why we are not habitual to speak in English? Because of our native language, because of our mother tongue. Yes friends, if you use your mother tongue for communication, then surely you are not habitual to speak in English, right? So if you want to habitual to speak English, then you will have to speak in English every day. Don't think that I am speaking wrong English. Don't think like this. Whether you are speaking right or wrong, then but think in English and speak in English, and just surround yourself to English. If you are, yes, you have mobile, of course you have mobile, that is why you are watching this video. So if in your mobile language is Hindi, mobile language is your native language, then change that language, okay, and surround yourself by English language. You can change your mobile language in English language. If you are watching something on TV, then watch in English language, okay, don't watch in your native language. If you are going to sleep, at that time if you are talking with your family member, then speak in English. If you speak broken English, that is okay, but speak in English. Don't use at that time your native language, because before sleeping our subconscious mind actives. I think you know already about it. So it's very important, before sleeping you should talk about with your family members in English. And if you habit to read books before sleeping, then always read English books, okay. If you love to listen English content, if you love to listen stories, then always listen English stories, okay. Always listen English content. If you are listening something on YouTube, then listen it only in English. Don't use your mother tongue, okay. मेनली होता क्या है, हम जो भी कुछ टीवी पर देखते हैं हमारे नेटिव लैंग्वेज में देखते, हिंदी लैंग्वेज में देखते, और मोबाइल पर अगर हम कुछ सुनते या देखते तो वो भी हम हमारी हिंदी लैंग्वेज में देखते, राइट. सो ऐसा नहीं करना है. डोंट डू लाइक दिस. यू विल हैव टू यूज इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. सो सराउंड योर सेल्फ बाय इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. इफ यू लव टू रीड न्यूज़पेपर, then read newspaper in English language, okay. Just be habitual to speak in English. Make a habit of English speaking. If you really want to improve your English, if you really want to speak English like a native speaker, then you will have to speak English every day. You will have to practice every day. If you don't have time, you go for job. If you are a housewife, then yeah, you have so much work, household work, and you don't have so much time for your practice, but you can take out only 5 minutes and only 10 minutes every day. So practice for 10 minutes every day. Speak in English every day. If you don't have anyone with whom you can speak in English, then don't worry about it. You can speak English with yourself, okay. You can speak English with yourself. You can record yourself in your mobile camera. But if you are not comfortable to face mobile camera, you cannot speak in front of camera, then what you can do, you can stand in front of the mirror and you can speak English. You can practice in front of the mirror. I know on YouTube there are many English trainers, English teachers, they are giving this type of tip. They are saying that yes, you can stand in front of the mirror and you can practice your English. So yes, they are telling absolutely right. If I talk about myself, so yeah, I don't have any partner to speak in English. I don't have anyone with whom I can speak in English. But what I do, I record myself in my mobile camera. But when I don't use my mobile, at that time I stand in front of the mirror and speak with myself, but in alone. Because if you will speak and at that time if somebody will around you, then you definitely you will get stuck while English speaking, because you will think that if I will speak wrong English, then somebody will laugh at me. You will think about your family members, right? Then always practice in alone. So you can find any place in your home where you can sit for English speaking, where you can sit for your English practice. So in this way you can make a habit of English speaking. And if you are habitual to speak your native language, of course you are habitual to speak your native language. That is why our English is not improving, and that is why you are not habitual to speak in English, right? So always remember that thing, always remind yourself that no, I have to speak in English, I have to speak in English. Always remind again and again to yourself. You have to do this. After that you will see a big change in your English. Your English will improve day by day. If you will practice every day, then your English will improve day by day. Okay? So make a habit of English speaking. Before sleeping, you can speak English. You can talk with your family member in English. If they don't know how to speak English, then try to teach them and tell them you also learn English, you also speak in English. And if they are asking you something, then always answer in English. Don't use your native language, don't answer in your native language. Okay? So practice is very necessary. Before sleeping you can practice your English, and in the morning after waking up you can practice your English on your bed. Just sit on your bed and speak at least for 10 minutes every day. Speak whatever you want to speak, whatever comes in your mind, speak. Okay? So I think this is enough for today. And if you are new over here, then subscribe this channel. The channel name is Diksha Madlani. Okay? So subscribe this channel. If you like this video, so like it. Press the like button and press the bell icon surely, so that you will get more videos about English speaking. And I will help you to improve your English, and I will solve your queries about English learning. Okay? So keep learning, take care of yourself, be happy, bye bye.